And also, I acquired this pencil. So today, we're going to see who would win. A garage door or a pencil. Gonna be awesome.
Personally, I believe that the garage door will completely obliterate the simplistic pencil.
No!
Listen here, you scumbag. Your pencil may be good for writing essays, but that garage door is just so powerful.
You think you're mighty, but my pencil will prove superior! Now for the test.
Are you ready for this?
Yes.
Let's go. Now, let's assess the damage. As you can see here, the pencil is cleanly cut in half by the ballistic power of the garage door. Now, if this was human, I would say that it would be a fracture, hospital, maybe even death.
I'm very disappointed in the pencil. I thought it would be stronger, faster, better. But next time we compete, I'll show you what's what.